Hello there, fellows and ladies. Welcome back to Goodfellas Garage. Today I'm gonna convert this poor man's Crown Victoria into rich man's Crown Victoria by adding automatic headlights. Let's see what we need. So the first thing that you need is a light sensor that is located on top of the dash, and you basically need this entire black panel from a car that has automatic headlights, as well as the sensor and the wiring harness. The next thing that you need is obviously the actual switch with the automatic light setting. That's about it. That's all the hardware that you need. I got this and the light sensor from the parts Crown Vic that I have. I already installed the parts physically, but all I have to do is run a couple of wires. So let's go home and look at some wiring diagrams. Alrighty, fellas, so I have these original Ford shop manuals. They're on a DVD. These are pretty old. The latest year I have is 2008, 2009, but they're the same wiring diagrams for all of them. So I'm gonna boot my 18-year-old Gateway. Yes, it still works, because these DVDs don't work on a Windows 10 and this computer has Windows XP. So let's see what we have. Well, now that it's booted, let's start our service manual. Alright, so we're looking for wiring diagrams. Doesn't have it for 2009, so we're gonna use 2008, same crap. And we're looking for, here we go, headlamp, auto lamps. Alright, so let's see what we have here. We have the lighting control module. We have the main light, the headlight switch right here. So from LCM, you can see right here, it says auto lamp on off, delete for police cars. I do not have that wire in my car. So this wire, which is violet orange, I guess, goes from the LCM to the headlight switch. Okay, so then we have right here auto lamp sensor. Okay, so that's the sensor that's sitting on top of the dash. Here we go, auto lamp sensor, delete for police cars. White violet, I guess, wire goes from LCM to the auto lamp sensor. Okay, so basically you have to run two wires, one from LCM to the switch, one from LCM to the auto lamp sensor. Okay, let's see, what else do I need? Okay, so here's the auto lamp sensor diagram. Let me look at the connector. So connector. Alright, so that's the auto lamp connector. What do we have? Sunload sensor, driver side signal. I don't know what that is. I don't need that. Auto lamp sensor, that's the wire that goes to the LCM. Voltage supply at all times, overload protected. Okay, so that's the constant power. So I need power to the auto lamp sensor. Anti-theft indicator, I don't need that, and ground. So I need three wires from the auto lamp sensor. So I need one that goes to the LCM, I need constant power, and I need ground. That's it. And I need to run one wire from the headlight switch to the LCM. That's it, and we have auto lamps. Alrighty, fellas, so what I have here are a bunch of pigtail connectors from an LCM, a lighting control module, and as well as a headlight switch. I got these years ago from a junkyard, and I have done this conversion before many times, so these come very handy. So you can actually take these connectors apart and remove the little wires, so you can have the pins and you can solder your wire to these pins and then put it in a connector that's in the car. You got to remove these. As you can see, each connector is different. Like for example, this one has a red little plastic tab, this one has a white one. You can remove these with watchmaker screwdrivers or jeweler screwdrivers, and they're little tabbies inside that hold the actual pin inside, and then you can pull it out. So mainly we're going to be working with, this is the one of the LCM connectors here, and this particular one, this is it's a weird one. It's going to be difficult to show in a car, so I'll show you here. It's got a little like ridges on the side, so this has to be pushed up, but you gotta pry it up, and then after you do that, you'll be able to pull the wires or insert wires into it. So I already have one like loose here, as you can see. And this one, yeah, gotta pull this white tab out, and then you can get the wires out. So here's my harness. I have already prepared this. Everything is soldered and ready to go. This is the connector for the auto lamp switch. I got this one and the auto lamp switch from the parts car. So I already soldered some length of wire here, and all I need is 3 wires. So one is gonna go to the LCM. As you can see, I already have my little pin here. I'm just gonna insert it. One is gonna be ground, so I'm gonna find a ground, and then one is gonna be constant power. So let's go to the car and plug this harness. Alrighty fellas, so let me show you what I did here. So this is my ground right here, and I have routed the wires from back here, and they go all the way. I zip tied them, and everything is already connected right here. So 2 wires that go into the LCM. One is a power. I Mr. Twisty it for now to the horn wire, so I'll solder it later, I promise. And we have the wire from the headlight switch connected to the LCM, and we have our harness for the sensor. Okay, so let's test the power and ground before we plug everything back in. Alrighty fellas, so let's see if we have ground. Yep, we got ground, so that's good. Let's check for power. And we have power. That is most good.
That would be most good, Newland. Most good.
I'm sorry, but she is just awful. Is there any way, I mean, can we add like a topless scene or something?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
We can? Oh, great. All right, we got a movie.
Alrighty, so everything is plugged in. I got the ignition on, so let's cover, I have the switch on auto, so let's cover the sensor and see if they turn on. Yep. Let's see here. Headlights on. Let's remove it. There you go. Headlights off. Are they off? Yep. Boom. We have automatic lights. Well, fellas, I now own a rich man's Crown Victoria with the automatic headlight feature, and it's a very easy job. Takes about an hour. So that's it for today. You need to subscribe to this channel and smash that like button. I need to go and do some rounds and some collections. Peace.
Now the guy's got Paulie as a partner. Any problems, he goes to Paulie. Trouble with the bill, he can go to Paulie. Trouble with the cops, deliveries, Tommy, he can call Paulie. But now the guy's got to come up with Paulie's money every week, no matter what. Business bad? Fuck you, pay me. Oh, you had a fire? Fuck you, pay me. Place got hit by lightning, huh? Fuck you, pay me.